Welcome to this video looking at using Apparance for procedurally building and interactively editing websites. Here we see our website prototype and one of the procedures behind it. Here we can see disconnecting sections of the page and how the page updates in real time. Digging in a bit further, the navigation bar buttons can be disconnected and rearranged by wiring up in a different order. Undo returns us to where we were. The content for the pages comes from Markdown documents edited in something like Notepad. As these are saved, again, the website is updated. Here we see a new section being added and some text to go with it. The editor watches for file changes and triggers the procedure calculation, updating the page. Markdown provides a simple, easy-to-edit format for the content. Most of the common markup elements are represented by simple characters. Here we see a list of items. If we add a dash, we can see that we get a heading and detail. If we switch on the list processing on the document load procedure, we can see that the heading part appears in bold. This is a custom feature of the procedures built for this website. Working this way allows quick fleshing out of website content whilst keeping an eye on its appearance. Now we're going to look at some of the styling applied to the page. Here we're interactively editing the maximum width of the content of the page. Now we're going to tweak the main font settings. As any value in Apparance is edited, the page is rebuilt and updated. Let's look at some of the colours. Here is the main content background. As this value is applied in several places through the procedures, they all update as the values change. So here the content background and the selected tab background both update. A blend operator is used for convenience to generate grayscale values between black and white. Here the main body text color is being edited. Here the navigation background can be changed. You'll see that the subheadings have an intermediate colour value that is a blend between the main colour and the content background. As the heading colour is changed, so is the subheading colour. Here the navigation text colour can be edited as well. Again, the subheading colour is based on, but not exactly the same as, the main heading. Let's look at the content headings. Changing the font size of heading 1 tag. And of the level 2 heading. And of heading colour. As the Markdown document is loaded, image tags are processed. Around these, a thumbnail is generated of a given size, which we can see being edited here. As this value is changed, all the thumbnails are regenerated and the page updated. Each image is also wrapped in a link to the full size version. On the manual page, the operator list shows a visual representation of all the operator types available. These are HTML tables with CSS styling and are automatically built from the operator list generated by the editor. Here's all the styling applied. If we dig in a little, we can see the background of each operator is actually a gradient texture. This is generated procedurally as well, using these procedures here. The main background colour of the image can be edited. It gets rebuilt and the page updates. This is to achieve the highlight and shadow effect on the surface of the operator. Thanks for watching. Visit the website to find out more. Follow us on Twitter for news.